मैम 59 तक ही लिखना है।
अभी 59 तक लिखना है, then I will explain, then you write down from 60 to 69. आपने लिख लिया 59 तक? इतनी जल्दी?
नो मैम।
Yes, आयुष्मान, फटाफट।
मैम मैंने भी लिख ली 9 तक।
करते हैं हम सब बच्चों के लिए, ठीक है? Then we will start from 60.
मैम अभी मेरा हुआ नहीं है।
कोई बात नहीं, we are waiting ना। Do it quickly. कंप्लेन करने से पहले अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करो प्लीज।
मैम यशस्वी बेस्ट डन।
ओके ओके। आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन हैव डन। हाँ, ज्यादातर बच्चों ने लिख लिया होगा, आई गेस। हाँ?
नो मैम।
नो। Okay, I'm waiting for another 2 minutes. Please do it quickly.
डन मैम।
See, 50 to 59 number names are so easy if you know the spelling of 50, and 1 to 9, number name of 1 to 9, it would be very easy for you to remember the number names, right? Right?
Done, ma'am.
Good. So, it's very easy. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. Okay? 59 तक it's very easy because you already know the spelling of 50. आपको already पता है, ठीक है? We have done in the last cycle. Now you come to the number name of 60. 60. Now 60 again is very easy. You know the spelling of 6. Please mute yourself. I कितना done नहीं हुआ है? I will share the worksheet with you definitely. ठीक है? Then you can do it later. Fine. Now listen to me. Listening is more important than talking. Okay? Please listen to me carefully and look at the screen. I am telling you the ways of learning. Otherwise, rectification is very easy. See, but you have to understand how to learn the number names. They are very easy to understand and to learn as well. Now 60, 50 to 59, you know how to write the number names from 50 to 59. I have told you the way. Okay? Now come to the 60, 60. You know the number name of 6, S-I-X, 6. you have to add t. 6 के पीछे आपको क्या ऐड करना है? t. Then it will become 6t. t t y t. जो उसका जो pronunciation होगा, it would be like that. s I x t y. 6t. 6 की स्पेलिंग यू नो, आपको लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट t को प्रोनाउंस करने के लिए आपको ty ऐड करना है. ठीक है? वेरी इजी. आईज क्लोज करके यू कैन रिमेंबर SIXTY 6t. एक बार 60 का स्पेलिंग लर्न हो जाएगा. पहले सब बच्चे 60 का लिखिए स्पेलिंग. राइट डाउन द नंबर नेम ऑफ 60 प्लीज. 60 and then dash डाल के write down SIXTY. Write down quickly. Write down the number name of 60. उसके बाद we will do the next number name. Sanvi, switch on your camera. Adya Gupta, Leah, switch on your camera, please. Ayushman, Madhav Kataria, switch on your camera. Don't unmute yourself. Just switch on your camera. Switch on karo, please. Leah, switch on your camera. Sanvi, Arohi, Avni. Have you written the number name of 60? 6060. Then dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then write down SIXTY 60.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now next, look at the next number name. Again very easy. If you know the number name of 60, अगर आपको 60 का number name आता है, then you can write down number names from 61 to 69 very easily. Right? Mute yourself. Who is unmuted? Someone is unmuted.
60 well.
See, again someone is unmuted. Madhav, mute yourself. Madhav, mute yourself. Okay. Now you know the number name of 60. Okay. Eyes closed kijiye. Then remember the number. Learn the number SIXTY 60. Very easy. Okay. Now you know the number name of 60. Again, it's very easy to write down the number names from 61 to 69. You just have to add two number names. 61. कैसे लिखेंगे? How will you write 61? First, you will write 60. Then you will add 1 to it. It will become 61. You already know the number name of 60. Then you will add 1 to it. It will become 61. Then 62. You will add 2 in 60. It will become 62. Then 63, same way. 64, same way. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Right? You know the number names from 1 to 9. You just have to add 1 to 9 to 60. 60 में 1 से लेकर 9 तक आपको add करना है. It will become 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68 and 69 like this. Now start writing. Writing start कर दीजिए. Quickly, Madhav Kataria, why are you yawning? Start writing quickly. Write down number names from 60 to 69. They are on your screen, please. Write down quickly.
Ma'am, done.
Beta, those who are done, please wait for others. I still have to wait for another 5-7 minutes for others. Okay, then wait, please.
Done, ma'am.
Who is still doing? कौन अभी कर रहा है, लिख रहा है 60 to 69?
None of me.
Okay, okay, do it. Okay, okay, beta, I'll wait. Do it.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am, done.
Okay. Okay, now let me start number names from 70 to 79. Those who are done.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's start number names from 70 to 79. Again, very easy, same way of doing it. Same way of doing it. You just have to learn the number name of 70, which is again very easy to learn. If you know the number name of 7, it's very easy to learn the number name of 70. 7 already you know, SEVEN, 7. And now you have to add T in the end. उसके लिए आप क्या add करोगे? TY. So it will become 70. SEVENTY, 70. Again, very easy, right? Am I right or wrong? It's easy or tough?
Easy, ma'am. Very easy.
Leah, is it
Ma'am,
easy
so
or
easy.
difficult? Leah, is it easy or difficult?
Ma'am, easy. Ma'am, may I go to drink water?
Yes, you can. Okay, now see. Again, number name of 70 is very easy. You should know the spelling. 7 की spelling आपको आती है already. You have to add ty to it. It will become 70. SEVEN 7, TY 70. Now again, if you know the spelling of 70, you can learn the spellings of 71 to 79. Again very easy, easily आप इनको learn कर सकते हो and you can write down after learning. 71, 70 की आपको already आती है spelling, 1 की भी आती है. Yes, you can go. Then you can join these two spellings. जैसे आपने 51 and 61 में किया. Someone is interrupting. Please mute yourself. Okay. Same way. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. अभी आपको 70 से 79 तक लिखनी है. बस 79 तक आज हम करेंगे. Then in next class we will do from 80 to 100. Okay? चलिए write down.
मैम आपने 69 लिखा है, उसके आगे और कुछ नहीं लिख सकते?
बेटा 69 के बाद 70 लिखिए ना स्क्रीन
मैम
पे.
79 के बाद कुछ नहीं आएगा?
79 के बाद हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे. ठीक है? ओके.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay, I'm going to wait for 2-3 minutes more for others. Okay, and today I'm not going to share this maths worksheet with you. ठीक है? Because अभी 80 to 100 हमने नहीं किए हैं. After doing them, I will share the worksheet. Maybe next class. ठीक है? पहले हम सारे नंबर नेम्स नोटबुक में नोट डाउन कर लेंगे, उसके बाद आई विल शेयर विद यू. ठीक है? I will not share the maths worksheet today. I will share the maths worksheet in next class. Yashashvi, please mute yourself. Let others do, please.
अभी मेरा नहीं हुआ.
कोई बात नहीं, नहीं हुआ तो इट्स ओके. मैं आपको शो कर देती हूँ वर्कशीट. लो.
अभी मैं 69 पे हूँ.
69 पे हो? Why? जितना हो सकता है इस क्लास में कंप्लीट करो, अदरवाइज नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं वर्कशीट शेयर करूंगी, इसमें कंप्लीट करना. जल्दी कीजिए, इंस्टेड ऑफ टॉकिंग जल्दी से अपना वर्क कीजिए. ओके.
Done, ma'am.
गुड.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay. Now I am going to end the meeting. Let's meet at 11 again. ठीक है, 11 o'clock पे फिर से मिलते हैं. 11 o'clock पे I will take GK class. GK class करने के बाद अगर हमारे पास बचा, listen to me please. GK क्लास करने के कंप्लीट होने के बाद अगर हमारे पास टाइम बचा, then I will show you this worksheet again. जिस बच्चे का कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है वो कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. ठीक है, फाइन. I'm just ending this meeting, coming back at 11 o'clock.
Bye, ma'am.
आएंगे. Bye,
Bye,
बेटा.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. बाय।